In this video, I'll talk about how you can install YouTube Kids on your Samsung TV. Now, as of this date right here, you can no longer get YouTube Kids, the app, on the Samsung TV, but there are some other things that you can do. What you can do is you can restrict a normal YouTube account to a child's version. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to open up the normal YouTube app, not the YouTube Kids, but the normal YouTube one. And if you haven't installed it yet, just go to the Smart Hub and install it. After that, just sign into your account, select your child's profile. When you open it, it should say who's watching. If it doesn't do that, you should still be able to select it from the settings. And what you want to do is you just want to open up the child's profile if you have made the Google account for that. And if it doesn't, you can go locate it into the settings. So let's see if this works. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is you can make a guest profile if you don't want to sign in, and that can also help do it. So what you should do is, if you want, you can come here and make some parental controls. So if you want, you can lock the YouTube app. So just go to the apps and settings, select YouTube, and you can lock it. And you can also customize the content settings. So inside of your child's profile, you can change the settings so it will be for their age and their preferences. So like I said, you cannot use the YouTube Kids, but you can change your YouTube app into a child-friendly version. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.